Okay, this is audio recording number 1 for numbers and fingerspelling practice. Number 1. Americans on the average eat 18 acres of pizza every day. On the average, people fear spiders more than they do death. The average lead pencil can draw a line that is almost 35 miles long. Or you can write almost 50,000 words in English just with one pencil. The average American annually consumes 47.3 gallons of soda per year. .5 gallons of coffee, and 23.1 gallons of beer. The vocabulary of the average person consists of 5,000 to 6,000 words. The average person walks the equivalent of twice around the world in their lifetime. A human being loses an average of 40 to 100 strands of hair per day. Now this will gross you out a little. The average person's yearly fast food intake will contain 12 pubic hairs. Well, I'm not making this stuff up. .35 meters of hair fiber is produced every day on the average adult scalp. The average person will spend 2 weeks over their lifetime waiting for a traffic light to change. This is not a problem in Sanderson, Texas, because the closest stoplight is 65 miles away. The average lifespan of a Major League Baseball is 7 pitches. The average number of people in an airplane over the U.S. at any given hour is 61,000 people. The average number of days a German goes without washing his underwear is 7 days. Now, I'm German, and I just want you to know I never go more than 3 days without changing my underwear or washing it. Did you know that you could live about 11 days without water? If all the caffeine that one person consumed in a year were given to a horse at one time, it would kill it. During your lifetime, you will eat 200 pounds of peanuts and 10,000 pounds of meat. On average, a 4-year-old child asks 437 questions a day. And that's the end of audio tape 1.